My name is Jesse Ivy, Talgunda co-lead instructor. This summer we are teaching web development with JavaScript, HTML, and HTML5. We're going to go into how to write and inspect code for websites and with the JavaScript, and taking that code in JavaScript, teach HTML to read that code and you create a website. So that is what we're teaching. What do we expect to get him out of this class is to be a good introduction into web development. This could be a successful career for you down the line and can lead into a whole path of career fields of computer science and technology. When they go through the entire summer session, they will come out with a certificate that is recognized by several other tech companies out there, the tech giants. We highly recommend, if anybody who is interested in the world of computers and in just how the internet works, or just how if I hit this certain keystroke on a website, how does this work to make that work? Sign up for our classes. The key takeaways we like to take from this course is how everything in the world is connected through web development, on how what you're searching for through Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and how that code that they have written connects to everybody else in the world. And so we takeaways that is this simple code you can write can have a huge effect on a web page and who it reaches out to.